my balloon go?
Maybe at home. Do you think so? Yeah, say hi, Tita. So where's my balloon? White, it's white. Oh, it's white. Very white. Do you like it? Mm-hmm. Bro, tigulang. Buho, makikatain ako eh. Kami baho.
Hit.
Baho.
Hit.
Tai.
Day.
Kasi the other night, I was crying to Daddy Mike. Kasi it's been like 4 nights now. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Tuesday everyone. It is the 29th of December and it's currently 4 o'clock ng hapon guys. Ngayon lang natin na-start yung ating vlog kasi once again si Buntis ay hindi maganda ang pakiramdam kaninang umaga guys. Hindi ako totally nagsuka talaga but alam niyo yung hindi ko alam ang tawag sa Tagalog nun guys. Yung parang digwa lang balong ganun-ganun lang pero walang lumalabas ganun. But yun na nga super tired na naman yung pakiramdam ko guys. Uy, oh my god, I don't know. Nabubuang na siguro tong katawan ko guys, no? Kasi alam naman natin lahat na may tumutubo na baby sa tiyan ng atin nyo. Kaya, yun. Anyways, maaga akong aalis ngayon guys. Pick upin natin si Paris, mamaya pa naman. Pero, pupunta muna ako ng nail salon. Kasi tingnan nyo ang ating kuko guys, oh. Ito siya, humaba na talaga. Ayan. Pero ito, it's broken. So, as this one. Ayan. Daddy, what color do you want me to get?
It's summer,
Mm-hmm.
so I think you should consider what color clothes do you think you'll be wearing in summer?
Floral?
Floral.
Yeah.
So then I think like
Sky blue? White?
yeah, white.
White?
White.
Yeah, maybe I'll try white.
Well,
Andito pala
white.
si Daddy Mike, guys. He's working and I can show him to you kasi naka-ano lang siya.
He's naked.
He's naked. He's working. He's naked. Working. Yun siya, guys. Mag-work. That's the, guys, advantage of, like, working from home. Like, you can just work even when you're naked. Oh my god. But yeah, I gotta go now kasi 4:15 yung aking appointment and it's now 3:59. Mabilis na naman yung drive, guys. Mga lang siguro, mga 7 minutes lang siguro. But yeah, tingnan nyo. Ayan. Sirang-sira na. And I'll see if I can get like square shape. Kasi ito siya almond shape, diba? And then hopefully ma-feel better tayo, guys. No! Oh my lord. Time check tayo, guys. It's now 5:40 ng hapon. Ayan. At kakapark ko lang dito sa labas ng school ni Baby Paris, guys. Hindi ko pa pala naipakita sa inyo ang ating nails. Ayan. So, very different from the last one, guys. Now, we've got square shape na kuko and also in white. So, never ever in my life na nagpa-kuko ako ng white, guys. Kaya, very interesting. I think I like it. Actually, what do you think? Ay, very yung lighting. Ayan. Ayan. I think I like it. Especially the shape. Yeah, very nice. So, yun na nga guys. Pick upin na natin ang ating baby girl ngayon. Kasi for sure, naghihintay na yun doon. But, before ako lumabas, actually, meron akong i-share sa inyo guys. It's very funny. Funny ba siya guys? Or very, parang touching. Kasi the other night, I was crying to Daddy Mike. Kasi, it's been like 4 nights now na si Paris hindi na nagdidede, guys. So, I think like she's weaning herself now. And the other night, parang pinakiramdaman ko lang siya kung ano yung gagawin niya. Before kasi nalaman ko na I was pregnant, na-feel ko kasi yung parang tenderness ng aking breast. Kasi yun yung isang sign, di ba? Kapag nabuntis ka. And then, because Paris was still feeding, ganun. So, sobrang nasasaktan talaga ako guys kapag nagdidede siya. And then, one time, nilagyan ko ng yung Vegemite. So, Vegemite is isang dito guys, parang, anong tawag dito? Spread ba? Kung baga sa Pilipinas, yung Lady's Choice, ganun. Pero sa Australia, meron silang tinatawag na Vegemite na hindi ko talaga gusto yung lasa, guys. At pag hindi ko gusto yung lasa, ibig sabihin, hindi rin yun magugustuhan ni Baby Paris. So, yun yung nilagay ko dito sa dede ko, guys. Para pag na-taste ni Paris, hopefully, hindi na siya magdede, diba? And then, yun na nga, guys, nag-start doon, parang hindi na nanghihingi si Paris ng dede. And, the other night, yun na nga, yun bang tinakin ko siya sa bed, tapos diba normally kapag pinapatulog ko siya, humihingi siya ng dede, hanggang makatulog siya. But then that night, nanuhan ako kasi maybe 3 nights, third night na yun siya, na si Paris sabi niya na, good night mommy, good night daddy, tapos sabi ko sa kanya na, I love you sweetheart. Tapos, pumunta siya sa middle namin ni Daddy Mike. We turned the light off and everything na. Tapos, nagpa-cuddle siya ng konti. Nagpa-hug siya. Tapos, a minute later, sabi niya na, Mommy, I wanna go to my big girl bed. So, yun yung tawag niya sa cot niya. Yun, ang tawag to sa gilid ng bed namin. Sabi niya, I wanna go to my big girl bed. So, I just let her. And then, binantayan ko lang guys kung manghihingi ba siya ng dede or what. Tapos, nung nandun na siya sa bed, sabi niya, I want blanket, mommy. So, nilagyan ko siya ng blanket. And then, yung blanket kasi hindi natabunan yung paa niya. So, sabi niya, mommy, my feet. Sabi niya ganun. So, I covered her feet. And then, guys, lumabas ako. Pumunta ako ng toilet. Kasi nga, yun na nga, pinakiramdaman ko lang siya kung manghihingi siya ng daddy or what. And then, pagkabalik ko, guys, oh my God, Paris was like sleeping peacefully. Nakaganon talaga siya, guys, oh. Ganun pa ang kanyang kamay. Tapos, tulog na tulog siya, guys, pagkabalik ko. And then, doon, hinag ko si Daddy Mike. Tapos, sobrang iyak ko. Si Daddy Mike was very worried. Sabi niya, are you okay? What's wrong with you? Why are you crying? And then, I just said like, my baby don't need me anymore. Sabi kong ganun. Sabi niya. Tapos, si Daddy Mike naman, alam niya naman to si Daddy Mike, may mga words of wisdom. Sabi niya sa akin na, there's more to, like, breastfeeding your kid in being a mom. Hindi lang doon magtatapos yung pagiging mama mo dahil hindi ka na nagbe-breastfeed. But I'm very happy at the same time. Parang alam niyo yung parang may feeling ako na guilt sa loob ko, guys, kasi I think the last time, hindi ko alam na yun na pala yung last na pagdede ni Paris. But then yun bang hindi maganda yung yung pagkakadede niya. Parang sinasabihan ko siya na don't do it because it's painful, kasi nga 'di ba masakit na yung yung nipo ko pag nagdedede siya. So parang hindi maganda yung last day ni Paris sa pagdede sa akin dahil doon. Kaya parang may guilt, but at the same time I'm very happy na na-win na siya, kasi obviously we have another baby coming, and then of course, magdidede yan siya. So, at least may pahinga din yung dede natin, diba? But yeah, parang naging emotional lang ako, guys. I think it's all about pregnancy hormones din, guys, no? Yung palaging emotional at ganun. Pero yun na nga, sobrang iyak ko kay Daddy Mike kasi feel ko na lumalaki na yung baby ko at hindi na niya ako kailangan. Yun na nga yung drama ni Mami Jovey niyo, kasi hindi na daw ako kailangan ni Paris. But like it's been like 4 nights, 5 days now na walang dede si Paris, and she's not looking for it anymore. Like before, nakikita niyo naman sa mga vlogs, guys, sinasabi niya, Mami, I want Didi, ganun. Wala na, guys. Na-miss ko na yun siya kasi hindi na siya naghahanap ng dede ngayon. In the morning, kapag nagising siya sa umaga, tapos nasa bed pa rin ako, sinasabihan niya ako na, Mami, it's time to wake up now. It's sunny day. I'm hungry. Ganun na siya, guys. Hindi na siya nag-ano na, Mami, ganyan, I want dede. In the morning, sinasabihan niya na ako na, I'm hungry. Tapos pumupunta na lang kami ng kitchen. Then we make something for her for breakfast. Pag gabi naman, guys, we give her something, food. And then, yeah, when she goes to sleep, when she goes to bed, she just goes to bed. She's not asking for breast milk anymore. But yeah, I'm very happy because now is the perfect time na parang ano na namin yung food sa kanya kasi nga 'di ba she's been fussy before because she was having my breast milk. But anyways, I gotta go in now guys. Yun lang yung chika ko na si mami niyo super emotional the other night. What's new, right? I'm always emotional. But yeah, gotta go in now guys. I'll see you soon. What would you like, honey?
I want
Balloon? She wants that balloon, guys. Whee! But it's not ours, man. Yeah. We'll go home. Maybe there's a balloon at home.
okay.
Say hi sa tita, Biggs. They're
Where's
watching.
my balloon go?
Maybe at home. Do you think so? Yeah. Say hi, tita. So where's my balloon? Ask tita where your balloon is. So where's my balloon, tita? Let's go. Where do you wanna go? Gusto na niya mag-shopping, guys. Where are you going, Paris? Paris, where do you wanna go? Tingnan niyo ang kanyang shoes, guys, oh. Bagong shoes. Who gave you the shoes, Nak? Who gave you the shoes? Sabi niya si Santa daw ang magbigay ng kanyang shoes. Yes. Get in the car now. You ready, Paris? Paris? Are you ready? What are you having? Skyflakes. Nak, what do you think of Mommy's nails? Do you like it? What color is it?
Purple.
Purple? Pag sure, oy. What color is it?
Purple. Good. Good, mommy.
Nagdamgo man akong anak. Tarong nga pagtanaw ba? What color is it?
Hmm.
What color is it ba?
Let's cover. What? It's white, mommy.
It's white, correct. It's white, it's white, it's white. Oh, it's white, very white. Do you like it? Pero tigulang. See ya, tita! I'm gonna go see daddy. Careful, nak. It will pop, nak. Oh, she says, oh, lala. Malupad din na ka. Go, daddy's waiting na.
I want puppy.
Don't pop it. Go in.
I want puppy.
No. Come on na.
This one to Papa Dad. This one to go Papa Dad.
Come on now.
No, Papa Dad.
You're gonna pop it. Come on now. Call daddy.
Hello. Yes, Baba. Hi, what do you got?
Most people say it.
You got him. Yes, Paris.
And Ray.
It's a witch. Look. Liar's dick, huh? Come on, let's go get the keys.
I just run.
You just run. Were you scared?
Yes, I just run. I just run, Mommy.
You just run.
I just run.
Go get the keys, go. So you can open the garage. Sorry?
I got it.
What are you looking for?
For Mommy.
Oh, your helmet. Where is it?
It's in there.
Where?
Yes, I know.
Maybe inside the house. Go. Where your toys are.
Okay.
Go get it.
Well,
Gusto niyang mag-ride ng kanyang bike. She's really good because she won't ride her bike without the helmet. Hinahanap na talaga yung helmet niya. Come on.
I not get it.
Get it. Kick. Good girl. That's a really good kick, honey. Do you have hiccup na? Good job. Lingawa ka niyo eh. Kick to mami na. Oh. Oh. It's gone. It's gone. Where did it go? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Tindog na. Saan apa?
Others blocked. No, others blocked.
The bowl is gone.
It's here.
What are you drinking? What are you having, honey?
Jelly.
Jelly. We'll get ready for bed now?
No.
Why not? Why not? Guys, hindi namin napansin yung oras ba? 10 o'clock mo pala ng gabi. Ating baby girl ay nandito po ako kumakain pa ng kanyang jelly. Oh, anak. You're wet na, anak. Anyways, kanina pala guys, after namin kumain ng dinner, so yung niluto ni Daddy Mike, yung tawag nito, yung crispy fry ba na pork, yun yung dinner namin. Tapos after namin mag-dinner, nanood kami ng movie sa Filipino movie sa Netflix ba, bagong added nila. Anong title? Si Liza Soberano tsaka si Enrique Hill. Alone Together yata yun guys, na salida. Yeah, I enjoyed it very much. Anyways guys, i-end na natin yung vlog dito because it is, getting late now and I'm gonna put Paris to bed. And you know what guys, very sore ang aking dito guys. Oh, meron akong mouth ulcer ba? Very sore. Anyways, thank you very much guys for watching today's video. Sa mga bago nating subscribers, welcome sa inyong lahat. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And I'm just going to do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Emelita Gonzalez from Rosario, Cavite. Yes, anak. Diana Lu Arabis. Shout out to Maika Bachinicha, Ni Raot, Guy Kalibod, Queen Survivor TV.
More jelly, more water.
Huh?
More jelly.
More jelly?
Yes.
Have a look at your face. Oh, you're very messy. Look. Yay.
My Mickey Mouse.
Oh, Mickey Mouse. You're Mickey Mouse. Are you a mouse? Buhok makikatain ako eh. Kami baho.
Hoot.
Baho.
Hoot.
Tai.
Jelly.
Baho. Tai.
Jelly, right.
Kiss mommy.
Too.
Shout out to Leti Santos, Izzy Kitchen, Zel TV, Joanne Ambe, Elena Risoles, Mary Grace Budol, Linda Key, Fidis Piging, Cynthia De La Cruz, Marlene De Malanta, Sophie D, and Claudine's Kitchen, Claudine Reed. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family and this family. We hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Bye-bye.
Blank kiss in. Close.